Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 3 best Forex brokers who offer LAMM accounts. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Trading Forex is a risky business that involves a trader with the required skills, knowledge, and experience to take on the financial markets in a way that is consistently profitable while minimizing the chances of incurring a loss. Only a small percentage of traders often enjoy profitable results due to the risks involved, and it requires honed skills in addition to a trader who has perseverance, high levels of discipline, and dedication towards mastering the Forex market. Numerous traders often look for established and successful traders who offer managed account services in return for a fixed performance fee. A managed Forex account is one that revolves around the conventional hedge fund platform, while being something more suited to a Forex trading environment. Numerous Forex brokers offer the option of a managed account, which provides fund managers with the opportunity to meet investors from around the world. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers who offer LAMM accounts can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the 3 best Forex brokers who offer LAMM accounts. Coming in first at number 3 on our list, we have Scandinavian Capital Markets. Scandinavian Capital Markets was established in 2011 and is strictly regulated by the Swedish FSA in facilitating the trading of Forex, indices, metals, commodities, CFDs, and more. Scandinavian Capital Markets offers traders competitive trading conditions, along with trading tools, research sources, and also the hosting of superior customer support. Their accounts feature standard, premium, and custom STP and ECN accounts, with features like competitive spreads, low trading commissions, ultra-low latency, deep pools of liquidity, and more. Demo accounts and Islamic accounts are also available. There is no information available regarding the LAMM option offered by this broker, and although the broker does not specialize specifically in LAMM accounts, provisions can be made for such upon request. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and the CTrader platform, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Scandinavian Capital Markets offers regular webinars with training on several topics for beginners and experienced traders alike. These include topics like how to trade using Fibonacci and more. If you ever missed a webinar, recordings are also available on their website or by subscribing to newsletters. Available information comprises company news, events, news and analysis, trading news, as well as a daily trading analysis video if you are looking for any additional education with Scandinavian Capital Markets. At number 2 is Blackwell Global. Blackwell Global is a well-established STP and NDD broker that is based in the United Kingdom and was founded in 2010. As a global broker, Blackwell Global offers its solutions and services to traders from around the world. Traders have access to a wide array of Forex and CFD instruments, specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, indices, cryptocurrencies, and commodities that include gold and oil. featured trading platform is available on the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, which is supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature ECN, standard, and turbo accounts, with floating spreads, up to 1 to 200 leverage, lower spreads from 0.0 pips on the standard and turbo accounts, a variety of base currency options, and more. There is not a great deal of information available on the LAMM account, which is offered by Blackwell Global. However, it was confirmed that the broker makes provision for such an account. Blackwell Global also provides their very own educational section, which delves into helpful topics such as how-to guides, video tutorials, and webinars. They also provide reliable market news, where you can stay up to date with the markets, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational material with Blackwell Global. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 3 best Forex brokers who offer LAMM accounts, we have Grand Capital. Grand Capital is a Finicom-regulated market maker and ECN broker, which has been in operation since 2006 and is headquartered in Russia. Grand Capital specializes in trading through stocks, indices, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard, MetaTrader 5, micro, crypto, swap-free, and ECN Prime accounts. Grand Capital offers traders the option of a LAMM account, which is a social trading service offered by the broker, where investors can automatically copy the trades of professional traders who are registered as managers. There is a list of LAMM managers provided by the broker. It provides investors with the trader's profile, which shows their history, profits, manager's commission, number of investors that they manage, and more. Grand Capital also provides a free trading textbook, a financial news section which covers a wide array of analysis, as well as daily reviews for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational material with Grand Capital. And those are some of the top 3 best Forex brokers who offer LAMM accounts on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.